Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have a case for your OnePlus 11, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I finally have some cases for the OnePlus 11 to review on my channel. I've been having the OnePlus 11 for 2 or 3 weeks now, and there's not many cases out there. Tudia was nice enough to send me out their Tudia merge grip case in many different colors for the OnePlus 11. I have other cases coming in that I will be ordering soon that I can review, but Tudia is the first case company to actually send them out, so I need to give them a shout out. I have used Tudia in the past for many different devices. I do like their new grip case. Again, everything about grip this year, and this case does have a lot of grip on the other devices that I use it for. In this video, we'll make sure everything lines up. How does everything fit? Can't ask if you can wireless charge or not because it doesn't do wireless charging. Does it have bulk? Does it protect your camera? Does it give you lip action? Just the normal things you look for in a case video when you're trying to pick out a case. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. I will have the link in the description. It looks like they sent me out 5 different colors. They sent me out this blue one, also this cool looking green, the matte black, which is probably going to be the one I might rock with the most. Also this pink one, and it looks like purple or maroon, and then also this gray. So we will go over the colors, maybe pop, the phone in each of these, but this is the one I'm gonna do the review on. It's a blue. Nice packaging from them. If you want to pause it, you can definitely do so, but look at that, bam. So this is blue. So that back is hard, but you see the extra grip back there? I like that. You have some logo there from Tudia. You even have some grip right here and right here. So that is great. Look at that camera cutout. But let's see how this thing fits. Nice and snug. You do get camera protection from the top and the bottom. Let's see if this will fit underneath this. So, as you can tell, it's not touching my table. Now, again, these cases are not made to slam down, but if you place it on your table, you don't have to worry about your display touching the table. Also, that camera cutout is great. You can see it there. You have the alert slider button, which is easy to press or easy to get up to. The power button there. It's nice and tactile. The volume rockers are easy to press, nice and tactile too. Looks great. Also, everything at the bottom lines up. You have enough room for the USB Type-C charging port, the microphone, and also the speaker. Everything lines up at the top too. This is a great looking case. Again, it gives you that grip so doesn't feel like it's going to slip out of your hands. Actually, I like this case. Close all the apps on here. Now, does it fit really well? Look, nice and snug. I mean, I'm pulling right here to get it off by the charging part, but that is not a problem. Now, to get it off is pretty good. It's a little, I mean, I don't think the phone will come out of it if you drop it, but it's not as super tight as I would like it, but it's not bad though. Fits really good. You have to at least give some effort. Now this is the blue. Let's just try out the black one. So here is the black one. Like I said, I might rock with this one the most. I like the black. Everything's gonna fit the same though. So it takes the same effort. I like these cases though. I'm definitely will rock this case for a while now. Let's try the green one too. I got a green phone, so why not the green case? That one don't look bad too. Might keep that one on there. And then for the ladies out there, let's try the pink one. Bam. So which one was your favorite? The pink? Maybe you're more of a gray type of lady or guy. The blue? I like the black one too. Or do you like the green? Which one was your favorite color? Which one will you pick up? Like I said, I will have these links in the description. That way you can pick it up from Amazon if you wanted to. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the OnePlus 11. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.